You found the perfect home, your offer's been accepted, and now we're ready to open escrow. I'm here to explain what escrow is and what you can expect during that time frame. I'm Karlee Vandyke with Whissel Realty, and I'm gonna go over the escrow process for you as a buyer. An escrow company is a third-party neutral company that handles the monies exchanged between a buyer and a seller during the escrow process. As a buyer, you have 3 contingencies in place that protect your earnest money deposit. Those are your inspection, so that you have time to do your due diligence, inspect the home, and see if any repairs are necessary. Number 2, the appraisal. That will be ordered by your lender if it's financed to make sure that the home appraises for the amount that you're borrowing. And number 3 is your loan. Once the inspection and appraisal have been done, your lender clears the loan, sends it over to escrow, and that's the best day because escrow then sends your entire file to the county, it's recorded, and we hand over the keys to you. So those 3 important contingencies during your buyer period allow you to make sure that you are happy with the home that you purchase. And I hope that explains the escrow process in 3 easy steps. I'm Karlee Vandyke at Whissel Realty. Reach out, I'd love to touch base more on this.